Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by powering down and unplugging the MacBook Pro. This prevents shorting and accidental inputs. Once done, position the laptop on a soft towel and locate the arrow keys. Use the plastic spudger or thin pick to gently pry at the bottom edge of the keycap, lifting slowly and evenly. You want to feel the clips release rather than force them. Make sure to hold the surrounding keyboard steady so clips don't snap, and set the keycap aside on the cloth. You should now lift the keycap straight up and examine the underlying mechanism. You'll often see a scissor or butterfly assembly. Once exposed, inspect for crumbs, hair, or broken plastic. These are common causes of sticky or non-working arrow keys. If the mechanism remains attached to the keycap or keyboard, gently unhook it using the spudger, keeping its orientation intact. Once removed, use compressed air or a soft brush to clear debris. To finish, align the scissor or butterfly mechanism back into the keyboard slot with the correct orientation. Once in place, position the keycap over the mechanism and press down evenly until you hear one or two distinct clicks. This confirms the clips engaged. Once reseated, test the key travel and electrical response. If it feels mushy or doesn't register, remove it again and clean the contacts with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol, or replace the small plastic mechanism. If problems persist, consider professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.